the channel. It is Ashanterene if you guys are new here. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing the half up, half down claw clip hairstyle on natural curly hair. I've been seeing it literally everywhere, so I definitely wanted to give it a try on my hair to see how it looks on me. I'm definitely not used to middle parts, but I definitely want to try something different. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you guys just keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Damn, my diamonds cold. Damn, my golden clothes. Walking in this a show. Walking in this a show. Flashlight, 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 yeah.
So before we get started, I am going to be working on freshly washed and detangled hair. I used my regular shampoo and conditioner, which I will do a curly hair routine on my favorite curly hair products coming soon. But for now, just freshly washed hair and me figuring out if I want to do a side part or middle part. And as you saw from the beginning, I will be choosing a middle part. So for the second stage, I'm just gonna be parting my hair off from ear to ear and brushing the back of my hair out so I can get that line as straight as possible and as equal as possible on both sides. And of course, when I'm done, I'm just gonna throw all this hair back in a back ponytail and get it all out the way. For this part here, you're just going to see me brushing out my sides, my portions that I had chose out just to see how it's going to look when I put my hair up. I'll be using Eco Styler gel today, and honestly, this whole part, I'll just be fixing my part and trying to get it as clean and straight as possible. Now that I got that done, I am going to pull out some sides of pieces hair. I don't know what you call it, like sideburn curls on the side of my hair out. That is totally optional for you. I definitely like that look and I thought it would be something different. And I'm gonna grab a nice amount of gel and just brush it all through my hair and start brushing it towards the back of my hair so I can throw these two pieces on a lower ponytail on the back of my head. Again, it is super optional, but you can also do baby hairs in the front portion of your hair. I didn't want to. I thought about it. As you can see here, I tried to, and it just, no. I wasn't having it, so I just was like, nope, I'm going to brush the hair back and put it on the ponytail. When I get the hair to the desired look, I am going to be grabbing a small little black rubber band and rubber banding it to the back of my hair. And side note, when you do this, I would recommend not doing it too tight so you're not pulling your kitchen out of your hair. Yeah, no, we want hair. We need our hair back there. So try not to tie it too tight so it's not pulling your hair out. For me personally, I definitely had to use a lot of gel. The way my curls are set up, it does not like to lay flat. So I definitely had to brush and keep brushing and gelling the hair down to try and get it as flat as possible. And of course, I'm going to try and curl the sides of my hairs on the side and try to get that little like kinky curly look. But the way my hair was set up this day, it was not working out for me. But can we just take a moment how cute this hairstyle would be though if we just kept the hairs down? Like, that is also a look, and I am totally here for that. And I tried it like a quick, like just up hairdo to see how it would look in a claw by itself. And girl, another quick little easy hairstyle as well. Definitely gonna be rocking this hairstyle more often as well. Okay, so now heading into the actual half up, half down method. Of course, I'm going to be sectioning off my hair into two. The top portion will be going up and the bottom portion will be down. And this was definitely a trial and error for me. I thought I didn't have to use a rubber band and I was just going to be able to claw clip it and that be a style on its own, but it was way too flimsy. I felt like my hair was going to come out and I just hated it. So you're going to see me take the clip out and actually rubber band it for a more secure hold and then actually claw clip it. Now that my hair is rubber band in the back and it's finally claw clipped, I can tell you this is not going anywhere. I definitely love it. You're going to see me zhuzh it up with just some water and get it to how I like it. I would rate this hairstyle a definite 10 out of 10. I recommend all the girlies do it. I think it's super cute and flirty, and of course it is super easy. And if you want to do the baby hairs, you can definitely do the baby hairs. Me, I didn't, but you're gonna see me brushing this thing down, girl.
Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I don't wanna be your side. Whether be your main